Give it a couple reps. One more. Hello everybody, as promised, here's the unboxing of my new gthaus American Road Racing exhaust. This is an axleback exhaust by gthaus, but this is an official Mopar accessory product that can be used as an exhaust replacement that does not void your warranty. So as you can see here, the logo says official licensed product by Mopar. So that's what's great about it. But really, if you check out the build quality of this product, is just really premium. As you can see here, the welds are impeccable, polished stainless steel, and it has a distinctive sound. Most people go for a Borla or a Corsa for their Hellcats, but you rarely see anyone put a gthaus exhaust on their Hellcats. As you can see here, the guys are test fitting, and it comes with all the necessary clamps to attach to your axleback. It also comes with a 5-inch exhaust tip, slant cut, double walled. It's really premium looking, and it's got a distinctive exhaust tip, whereas there's a slit in the middle, so you know when you're looking from behind that it is a gthaus exhaust. Now, what's the difference between this and other well-known Mopar Hellcat exhaust like the Borla or the Corsa? This one has a really distinctive sound. You'll know exactly that it's a gthaus. It's quiet on the inside, and it's incredibly loud when you get on it. So that's one thing that it has over the others. You're probably wondering how much this gthaus exhaust is. It cost me about $2,000 for the entire setup. It comes with all the necessary mounting clamps and the exhaust tip, and it's about on par with the Borla or the Corsa, but the build quality is just beautiful and the sound is just amazing. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Let's hear it.